how to buy Pi token on OKX. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token on OKX, click here on markets. As you can see, you will be able to find this exchange OKX, and you will be able to find this pair link. Click on it, and you will be able to redirect to your OKX account. Make sure to log in to your account first. Now, after that, what you need to do, just go to buy section from here. As you can see, now click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy of that token. As you can see, so here you will be able to see the total that you will be able to pay of that or to pay of that USDT on your accounts. And after that, click on buy Pi. Now, if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. And after that, click on buy Pi. So this is how to buy a Pi token on OKX. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.